3 tips that will let you get more money will be in this video, so stick around until the end because they are very useful. Starting, the first tip that I will give you is to always have the right equipment, which involves having the biggest sawmill and the best axes, because that will both help you to get more money from grinding and also let you get wood faster for building, which is very important. So I recommend to save up some money from at least a Sawmax 02 and get the right axe that deals the most damage per second. At least I would recommend you the mini axe that you can get from trading with players. But even if you have great equipment, that won't guarantee you will earn money as fast as possible, which brings us to tip number 2, which is to use the right money grinding technique. For most players, it could be getting frost wood, because it sells for a ton of money, having a value of $106 per plank unit, but as mentioned earlier, if you have the right equipment, you can get lava wood, which can even give you money a bit faster, if you obtain it quickly enough. For some very advanced players, you can go for some even more insane ways, and to see all best money making methods, I will link a video that you can watch later, after you finished. Now the final, crucial advice, is to build. That is very important, because some base builds like sawmill setups, can make you process wood very quickly, and do other functions like save up wood, for future uses, and you are really, a lot less efficient and are missing out, if you simply use a normal sawmill. So for that reason, what I want you to do right now is to watch this video, to see how to build the best sawmill setup, that lets you both process wood faster and has a storage.